How to improve your battery health on Android. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can improve your battery health on your Android. So if you're noticing that your charge is finishing way too faster than usual, what you're gonna do is first of all go to settings. After you do that, scroll a bit down. Then over here you can see the option that says battery. Click on it and you can see various options over here. Simply go to the option battery health, which is over here. After you do that, you can see your maximum capacity of your device. Mine is at 91%. Now scroll a bit down. Then over here you can see two options, smart charging and charging limit. You have to only turn on one of them, so you can do any. After you do that, your charging will be more efficient and then you can also see the results very soon. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.